off cooler today. I don't want to spin my card. What pump is that? Let's see.
Five?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me put 5 on it. Let's go. Every last drop. This damn pump probably still got Corona all over it. I hear it dirt bike. Oh, it's a scooter. Somewhere, I think I left something. What? I'm good, man. Yeah, I want to buy a gold chain. That's my priority in life. No way, a tow truck. Towing a tow truck. You don't say that every day. You know what? I'm gonna go straight. Bird is the word. Bird's the word. Oh shit. Great moves. Buddy. I do not want to have road rage. This guy's creeping up behind me. I think people that don't ride a motorcycle think we're all trying to be stuntmen or something.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.